How do you relieve stress? These days, you're either stuck at home or if you do go out, it's probably just a trip to the store and back. So how can you release tension and let go of stress? Music might be the key. News 3 reporter Anthony Sabella spoke to a local music therapist about how to get started.
Amazing grace, how sweet the sound. She opened her eyes. I had never seen her open her eyes before. She started moving her lips, and having that one-on-one connection was just powerful.
Just one story about how music can heal. Becky Watson owns Music for Wellness, a board-certified music therapist in Norfolk. She works mainly with older patients suffering from dementia, but she says anyone can benefit from adding a little music to their life.
It just brings a smile to your face. It is a way to express our emotions in a safe way.
Watson says when we play music, when the rain is blowing in your face, it does 4 things. It activates our brain, it energizes our body, it enhances our spirit, and it builds community.
Drums are a great way to express your emotions. It helps release some tension.
And when you're stuck at home during a pandemic, there might be some tension, certainly some stress. Watson says don't worry if you're not a musician. Finding relief is simple, starting with creating and listening to your own playlist.
And let people know what your playlist is. It could be 3 or 4 songs.
She says deep breathing with full inhales and slow exhales and music can go a long way. And if you don't have any traditional instruments, get the kids together and find some around the house.
Some spoons. So you can do that with a plastic bowl. Make it a game. What kind of sounds can you find in your living room? What kind of sounds can you find in your kitchen?
And a little songwriting to reinforce good habits never hurts.
If you're happy and you know it, wash your hands.
Whatever way you can find it, the healing power of music is undeniable, and everyone can use a little healing. In Norfolk, Anthony Sabella, News 3.